Vande Mataram, class 10th, from the Formalinjar. Yesterday, we knew that how life is far precious than we imagine. जीवनटा केते मूल्यवान किंतु हमें से जीवन को केयरलेसली जो रेकलेस ड्राइविंग डिस्ट्रैक्टेड ड्राइविंग ड्रंकेन ड्राइविंग कर जीवनटा को आम किपर गोटे तुच्छ मूल्यहीन रूप आम यूज करुचे लाइफटा को ताऊपर गोटे फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर नहीं भिकी Dr. Rita S. Mani has taken a fictional character named Vicky. There, even though it was not an accident, he said that he focused that it was an accident, and due to his careless driving, he fell on accident. There, the brain was cut short. Her head was cut short and kept in the formalin jar. And why it was kept in the formalin jar? Only to show the students to accumulate or to gain much knowledge about the parts and organs, brain organs and its functions. So in the first stanza, we have noticed how was Vicky's brilliant brain? How did he stay there with disdain, hatred? Why people came there to gain knowledge? In the second stanza, we knew that how was the brain kept as a specimen sample? Further, he reminded no stroke tumor box were there, but life was ended in the jar. In the third stanza, we have known that Vicky was a young boy, smart boy, full of energy was with him. His main subjects were the area of knowledge were computer science, maths, and his philosophy, ethics of life is no pain, no gain. Without any pain, we cannot gain. So let us come to the stanza 4. Vicky's love for his parents was truly insane, and he adored his grandma. Wrinkles and insane can. In college, when he stole a glance at Lorraine, why his heart went thud, I could explain. Only I could explain. Okay, Vicky's love for his parents was truly insane, and he adored his grandma's wrinkle and cane. In college, when he stole a glance at Lorraine, why his heart went thud, only I could explain. Here, insane means extreme or immense. अत्यंत जोड़ा कुहाजिबो. Okay, Vicky's love for his parents. Vicky ता parents मानु किपरि भल पाउथुला. Vicky's love for his parents was truly insane, extremely higher. Immensely higher. Vicky loved his parents very much. He adored. Adored means strong love. And he adored his grandma. Wrinkles. Wrinkles means lines of the loose skin. It's about pore facial look रे जो folded skins गुड़ी को देखा जिबो. चर्मर जो फाट गुड़िक देखा जाऊँ फोल्डेड ही देखा जाऊँ दे आर कॉल्ड wrinkles. And he adored means strong love. Who adored? Vicky adored. Vicky was telling his story before the accident. Okay, Vicky adored his grandma's wrinkles and cane. Cane means walking stick. Cane means हाथ चला बाड़ी जोड़ा सहारा दिखे हम चलवा. Cane means walking stick. दुटा कथा कहला एठे. Vicky's love for his parents was highly, extremely true. Extremely true, immensely true. Second one, and he adored his grandma. So wrinkles and cane. Wrinkles means lines of the loose skin. Lines of the loose skin. Wrinkles and cane. In college, when he stole a glance at Lorraine. In college, during the time of college, during the college time, Vicky was in love. Se modhe bholo paଉଥିଲା. He had a girlfriend. Her name was Lorraine. Lorraine was Vicky's girlfriend. In college, when he stole a glance at Lorraine, in the time of college, in college time, he had a girlfriend. Her name was Lorraine. And he stole a glance. Here, stole a glance means secretly looking. Luchi luchi dekhiba. Okay? While Vicky was in love, he was looking secretly to his lover. Who was his lover? Lorraine. So why his heart went thought only I could explain. Vicky said that why his heart went thought means किछि गोटे विराट शब्द जदि ऊपर किछि बड़ जिनिस पड़िबा जो साउंड शब्द सृष्टि हबो ता हृदय जेंति भांगी गला से टाइप रो शब्द को हम थॉट बोली कहबा. वन टाइप ऑफ पैनिक साउंड जो साउंड के हमें माने कर्नर स्पर्शी नथिबो माने इनऑडिबल माने हमें सुनिबा को भलो लागु नथो पैनिक लागुथबो से प्रकार साउंड का हमें कहबा. व्हाई हिज हार्ट वेंट थॉट ओनली आई कुड एक्सप्लेन. ओनली द ब्रेन कुड. आई मीन्स हियर नॉट विकी. आई मीन्स विकीज ब्रेन. द ब्रेन कुड एक्सप्लेन. ओके. Here insane means extreme or immense. Okay. Adore, strong love. Wrinkles, line of loose skins. Cane, walking stick. Stole, a glance, secret looking. When thought became a panic in sound. So इस स्टैंजा में कौन बुझिले देखो फर्स्ट लाइन को फर्स्ट स्टैंजा को होची Vicky loved his parents immensely, very much. Second, he adored his pouchy grandmothers with walking. Pouchy means gallery जो folded skins गुड़िक थिबो ताको with a walking stick. Third कथा कहूची in the college time he had a girlfriend. Her name was Lorraine. Fourth point, he had a quick and quiet look at her. Quick and quiet secret look because he loves the lover Lorraine too much. He said that only he could explain about his heart's panic or fear sound. Only the brain could explain. Only the brain could explain the panic and fearful sound. Why his heart broken? As his heart went thought. Okay. Next stanza 5. Stanza 5. On a wet monsoon day for a task mundane, Vicky rode his bike to his friend in the next lane. For once from wearing his helmet, he did refrain. God, he met with an accident, gory and inhuman. A line to बुझो चेष्टा करो. On a wet monsoon day, rainy day. Monsoon day means rainy day. On a wet monsoon day, for a task mundane. Mundane means हमें कहला कहूचे life has no mundane desires. Mundane means ordinary. Mundane means ordinary, dull. Okay, mundane means your task means work. Mundane means ordinary. कौन कहूचे on a wet monsoon day, on a rainy day, only for a task mundane. Simple किसी उड़े heavy task नथिले किसी important काम मध्य नथिले. There was no important work. Mundane work. ordinary साधारण कामटियो mundane work. Vicky rode his bike to his friend in the next lane. In the next lane, Lane means Sahil. In the next lane, street. In the next lane, a friend of his was staying, and Vicky rode his bike to his friend's house in the next lane. For once from wearing his helmet he did refrain. ସବୁଦିନେ ସେ ହେଲମେଟ୍ ପିନ୍ଧି ହିଁ ଯାଉଥିବାର. For once, for a single time, that was the single time Vicky was refrain. Refrain ମାନେ ବଞ୍ଚିତ ହେବା. ଆମେ जो पोएम्रे ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୀତ ଗାଉଛେ ସେତେବେଳେ ରିଫ୍ରେନ୍ କହିଲେ ଘୋଷାକୁ ବୁଝେଇବ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଠି ରିଫ୍ରେନ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ବଞ୍ଚିତ ହେବାକୁ ବୁଝେ. ଫର୍ ୱାନ୍ସ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ୱେରିଂ ହିଜ୍ ହେଲମେଟ୍, ସବୁଦିନେ ସେ ହେଲମେଟ୍ ପିନ୍ଧି ବାଇକ୍ ଡ୍ରାଇଭିଂ କରୁଥିଲେ. ବଟ୍ in that case, while going to the next lane to meet his friend, he forgot to wear the wearied helmet. He had refrained. Refrained means stopped taking with. Stopped taking with. Okay. Stopped taking with. Taking with means number. कौन नंबर वंचित है से? He was refrained to take the helmet while going to his friend's house, who is residing or living in the next lane. God, he met with an accident, gory and inhuman. He suffered, he faced. Vicky faced. Se कहउछन्ति तांग story before he come to the formal injury, how he met with the accident. It was severe accident. It was gory. Gory means bloody. रक्ताक्त जोड़े को आजिबो. Gory means bloody and inhuman, unkind. हमें बुझिबा छे. On a rainy day, Vicky rode his bike to his friend living in the next lane. A friend of his was living in the next lane. To attend on an ordinary task, mundane task, Vicky rode his bike and went near his friend. This was the first time in his life Vicky went without a helmet. Oh God, on the way he faced a bloody and dreadful, barbaric accident. भयंकर एक्सीडेंट से सम्मुखीन होते. किसी ना सबुदिन से हेलमेट नौले गोटे लिटिल बिट ऑफ केयरलेसनेस माने जीवन में साधारण छोट छोट भूल आम केते बड़ बड़ माने डिस्ट्रक्शंस गुड़िक आनी पार्छ आम जानूचे. लिटिल बिट ऑफ फॉल्स ब्रिंग्स लार्ज काइंड ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्शंस. लाइफ टाको केते सुंदर थे. लाइफ हैज ए मीनिंग. जीवन गोटे अर्थ अच्छी, किंतु से अर्थटा को इमती केयरलेसनेस करके जब आम जीवन बंचा से कथा ही फोर्थ स्टांजर आमको ये आमको कहुला. फोर्थ स्टांजर जे फोर्थ स्टांजर से कहते ओनली आई कुड एक्सप्लेन कौन से. इट मीन्स मु किपर एटा सफर करली. हाउ आई सफर्ड द ब्रेन से हाउ आई suffered, how I faced the accident, how I am now staying in the formal injury, everything, my feelings, only I could explain. So life has a purpose. तेणु ये आमको जो कहुच्छे आम ये बुझा रिस्की ड्राइविंग मस्ट नॉट बी डन, इट शुड बी बैंड. इटा को वी वांट ए सेफ लाइफ. नले यहीपरि भिकी को खाली जो गोटे एग्जांपल रूप नियाई किंतु सोसाइटी रे भिकी पर केते जण यहीपरि निज जीवन को माने दे आर falsely sacrificed their life. जीवन किपर गोटे माने एते दिन बंचवा जो लॉन्ग लाइफ जोटा कथा कहूँ विद इन ए शॉर्ट पीरियड इट स्टैंड्स इन वेन इट गो इन वेन. Let us go to stanza 6. Stanza 6. All it took was a stray moment in a young life lost, a family crossed with pain. Dear friends, take care. Risky driving can be banned. Drive safe. Let your precious life not to be in vain. Not be in vain. Because all it took was a stray moment in an. In an means stupidity. Jaha all it took, it was just an act of stupidity on the part of Vicky for a moment. सबुदिन हेलमेट नबाटा गोटे दिन न नबाटा इटा गोटे वन टाइप ऑफ स्टुपिडिटी कहुचे. टेकिंग हेलमेट एज एवरी डे एंड फॉरगेटिंग फॉर ए सिंपल ऑर्डिनरी टास्क किसी हेवी टास्क मध्य नथिला काम भी नथिला किसी इंपोर्टेंट काम मध्य नथिला किसी ऑर्डिनरी मंडेन टास्क नहीं फॉर ए मंडेन टास्क फॉर एन ऑर्डिनरी टास्क ही फॉरगॉट टू वेयर द हेलमेट and it lost it. It was the cause of his facing accident. So all it took was a stray moment. Stray means separated moment in an stupidity. Life scattered, separated, got separated. A young life lost. A family crushed in pain. आम लाइफटा आम जी इम्पोर्टेंट नुह आम फैमिली आम सोसाइटी में से इम्पोर्टेंट गुड वर्ल्ड में से इम्पोर्टेंट सो दैट वी शुड ऑलवेज बी केयरफुल व्हाइल लिविंग दिस लाइफ. ए यंग लाइफ लॉस्ट, ए फैमिली क्रस्ड विथ पेन. ए यंग लाइफ वाज लॉस्ट, कट शॉर्ट. His family were shocked very much in grief. दुखर पूरा से भांगी पड़ते because we are not the part and parcel of ours. आम केवल आमर ही part and parcel नुह. We are also the part and parcel of our family and our society also. A society also lost a good citizen or a young life. Dear friends, take care. Risky driving can be banned. Ban means course. अभिशाप गोटे सांघातिक गोटे कह मारात्मक कहले चले. बेन मीन फैटाल मीन्स ये मारात्मक को बुझेब. कर्स मीन्स अभिशाप. ओके डियर फ्रेंड्स, टेक केयर. वी शुड टेक केयर अबाउट रिस्की ड्राइविंग कैन बी बैन. रिस्की ड्राइविंग कैन बी बैन. ड्राइव सेफ यहाँ बही कैप्शन कैपिटल लेटर लिया स्मॉल लिखी देते. ड्राइव सेफ. लेट योर प्रीशियस लाइफ नॉट बी इन वेन. लाइफ इज प्रीशियस, सो वी शुड लीड इट प्रीशियसली. आम आम जीवन को सब आम पाखे थी जीवन व्हाट एवर लाइफ वी हैव वी शुड थिंक दैट आवर लाइफ इज ऑलवेज प्रीशियस for us, for our family, for the society as well as for your entire world. आमको दिया जाइथिबा जीवन बहुत मूल्यवान. ये जीवन लाइफ हैज ए मीनिंग. सो लेट योर प्रीशियस लाइफ नॉट बी इन वेन. इन वेन मीन्स जोटे किसी माने यूजलेस कहवा जार कोई व्यर्थ असफल जोटा कह जीवनटा बंची किंतु ए जीवन कौन मूल्य ना से प्रकार ये चिंताधार. एवरीबॉडीज लाइफ हैज ए मीनिंग. एवरीवन लीड्स ए प्रीशियस लाइफ. इट शुड नॉट गो इन वेन. लेट योर प्रीशियस लाइफ नॉट बी इन वेन. सो मन रखिले कौन आम इट वाज जस्ट एन एक्ट ऑफ स्टुपिडिटी. व्हाट वाज जस्ट एन एक्ट ऑफ स्टुपिडिटी? दैट एक्सीडेंट. फेसिंग द एक्सीडेंट, not taking the helmet for a single time, not taking his helmet for a single time. That was one of the stupidity for Vicky's moment. That was a bad period. A young life was lost. Who were in grief? His family members were shocked, very much in grief. And pointing to the riders, riders means je ride करते चलाते चालक, pointing to the riders, taking his example, Vicky's example, it is your appeal, दाबी करा जाउछि, अर्ज करा जाउछि, इठे डिमांड करा जाउछि क्यों मानक पे जो मानकर जीवनटा प्रीशियस, those who are caring, who are having the precious life, ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ appeal କରା ଯାଉଛି not to take terrible or fast driving, terrible and fast driving, because carelessness and fast driving can bring a lots of misery, बहुत किछि नष्ट करिथाय. Our life is always precious, it should not go useless or uselessly, it should not go uselessly. So आमे इठो में मन रखले कोन, Vicky is a fictional character. There was no man called Vicky in this poem. এটা কাল্পনিক হিসাবে নেওয়া যাচ্ছে, কেবল जो मानक এটা risk driving करते, those who are the part and parcel of a risk driving, those who are not thinking that their life is precious, those who are enjoying everything in a falsehood for themselves, for them. The poem was dedicated by the poet, and the poetic feelings were only to provide a signal, only to provide a deep, a meaningful suggestion about the life and safety driving. So what we learn? We should drive safely. Thank you.